You guys, this is a ridiculously horrible amount of stuff to try to fit in one frame, so we're going to do it one by one. Can you believe Webster's Pages is having a ginormous warehouse sale? I was lucky enough to be the recipient of 2 boxes that they sent me. They wanted me to unbox for you so you would have first sneak peeks. Let's take a look at this box. I have 2. The first one is a smaller version of the big one. I have no idea what's in here. I'm freakishly excited. We're going to move things out of the way. So as you know, all warehouse boxes are just kind of a hodgepodge of what they have left over, so all the contents may change. So, you might not get the same stuff. Resiny, plasticky ceramic things. They're all cute for Christmas. So they look cute in my planner. So these are like sequins, circles. Look, there's some more. New year, new you. There's a bow and a tree with a star on top. I'm feeling a little holiday. Here's some more page flags paper clips. There's the assortment. Already a lot of stuff. I got an extra one. Again, these 3 types of page flag paper clips. Did you know Webster's Pages made straws? I didn't. Blank planner notebooks. Looks like you get 2 in this pack. They're regular standard size. One is a black stripe and then one is this floral. One's lined and one's blank. How cool. Sparklers. Beautiful flat back non-adhesive buttons. They look like they're made of recycled glass. I'm hitting it home with these resin embellishments. Keep calm and scrap on. Smile and love this. Well, they're made out of fabric. Who knew? I can see a cluster making out of those. Of course, you can make them 3-dimensional. They can puff them up. Ho, 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 it's sticker time. Look at those. These are all mini messages from Webster's Pages. Kind of vintage feel. Oh, those are always helpful. Great for gift tags or sticking on presents. Well, aren't those cute? Enamel dots. Sparkles, triangles, stars. Like, they're legit buttons. They're chipboard buttons, and then it has twine on the bottom. Ingenious. You just pop them right out. Cute. Looks like there's some for Santa, too. Who doesn't love a good paper pad? This is called the Love Story Collection. It's got great double-sided paper. I like that they're not exactly 6x6 or 6x8. Here's another paper pad. It's called A New Day. Again, 6x8. Makes it more versatile for planning. Uh-oh. What's this? Here's what this is. Hello, Webster's Pages. Look, it's a pen folio. Put my pens, my stickers, die cuts. Cool. Last but not least, you got some of these doodads that you can put in your pockets of your planner or scrapbook. I like black leaves. I'm thinking Halloween next year. Oh, one last thing. Another one of these. All the contents of that small box. Mind blown. All right, I cleared the decks. Ready for box number 2. No joke. This thing is like 10 pounds. Crazy. Let's get to it. First thing we've got is Christmas again, and this one is more of a vintage royal Christmas. Look at that car. Adorable. Another Christmas paper pad. Look at the houses. 6x6 again. Gosh, the tag making that is going to go on. This one's a triple pack of In Love, Palm Beach, and Game On. Wow. This is petite papers as well. This is a Botanical Christmas and Winter Fairy Tales. Oh, look. Look at the colors. Gosh, I wish I had time to go through this. Oh, I can't wait to open it up. All right, let's do it. Ooh, I love the way they feel. Oh, party. Cute doors. Gift tags. Okay, the next thing is a composition notebook. Ooh, dot grid. You know they have like a composition notebook, you know, case holder. It's like a planner cover for this composition notebook. I can't wait. Oh, look at this. This is heavy duty. When do you ever get to find a notebook that's spiral bound that doesn't have lines? That's what I'm in love with. And it has this great foiled cover. So well made. Okay, moving on. Hello, love. Hello, love. Welcome home. Cute. Oh, look, stickers! Christmas stickers again. Oh, I see. They probably paper clipped them together, but you know how FedEx is. These are cute colors. Oh, that's pretty. I see some new favorites already. Another composition notebook. This one is white. So we've got dot grid and now white. It looks like the cover's foiled, but the detail is crazy incredibly. Brush strokes. So this one must be lined. Ah, look, I'm so smart. That's a lot of pages. Phew, now I've got room. Look at these mini craft bags. These are going to be so cute with little tags on them for Christmas. Sticky notes. Love that. And they're foiled. Look at the sticker collection. Oh, you got alphas. Wow. A lot of sheets in here. Sticker collection. Ooh, more alphas. These are cute colors. Look how pretty that is. All this Christmas stuff is going to come in super handy. Super handy. Storytellers, alphas. Yeah, those really are stickers. It's very well printed. Ah, and I guess you can, they're perforated, so you can put them, hang them up on your wall like I do with my alphas. All right, next, specialty papers. Oh my gosh, look at the, look. Who doesn't want, that's so gorgeous. They're all on vellum. It's beautiful. Such attention to detail. Oh, fun. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute as a notepad top. And then you can see your notes through. These are like great washi borders that you can cut and just paste. Look at the bright pinks. Such a range of colors from Webster's pages. I had no idea. Look, it's the dates. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, they did pink Christmas. I'm diving. I love the picture of the tinsel. Oh, and this little countdown. Oh, they're double-sided. Megan, thumbs up. March. Oh my gosh, is it a whole year? No. Or is it just an assortment? We'll figure it out. But look at March. Cute. Look at that. I love that. You could just paste these into your planner as stickers. Who wouldn't want that journal card in your journal? Cut, cut, cut. Ooh, July. That's a good take on summer. Look at this. This paper pad also comes with sticker sheet on the back. Last one. Oh, Webster's pages, you have outdone yourself with this warehouse sale. Just the notebooks alone are worth every penny. But then you get specialty papers, composition notebooks. If you were totally interested in snagging one of these large boxes or one of those little boxes that we did before, go ahead and look at the description box down below, and it has all the information you need to go help yourself a merry little warehouse boxing sale. Thanks, guys. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Bye.